Sino mas prefer mo ka-date? Foreigner or Pinoy?
Sino mas prefer mo ka-date? Pinoy or foreigner?
Doon tayo sa Pinoy.
Bakit?
Kasi culture.
Okay, support local.
Yes, support local.
Sino mas prefer mo ka-date? Pinoy or foreigner? And bakit ho?
Pinoy po. Kasi like for sex is mas nakikita yung mamasa-masa.
Sinong mas prefer mo ka-date? Pinoy or foreigner?
Definitely Pinoy.
Bakit?
I can relate to all of their local stories. And yeah, that's it.
That's what we shout out to the one and only Kaya Radio. All of Wagner Sanaya. For the friends in the bag, yeah, everybody, all the motherfucking party people in the building.
Sino mas prefer mo? Pinoy or foreigner?
I-date?
I-date.
Pinoy. Feel ko pag iba kasi parang siguro iba rin yung... Basta mas prefer ko Pinoy pa rin. Kasi Pinoy ako eh.
Sino mas prefer mo ka-date? Pinoy or foreigner?
Foreigner.
Foreigner? Bakit? Bakit?
Mukha rin naman akong foreigner.
Nagka-jawa ka ng foreigner?
Muntik na, muntik.
Muntik lang. Anong lahi?
Germany.
Sino mas prefer nyo ka-date? Pinoy or foreigner?
Pinoy pa rin.
Bakit?
Bakit no?
Bakit?
Foreigner na lang. Mas masarap sila.
Pinoy! Iba yung tigas ng Pinoy!
In the building. Let's fuck it up, man. Baby, fuck it up. Subscribe. Click the button.
Ako Pinoy talaga.
Bakit?
Kasi iba talaga siya eh. Parang nakikita mo yung spark.
Ay, may spark yun.
Di ba?
Siyempre sa akin Pinoy. Kasi we all want the best care. Galing sa Pinoy. Yes. Galing yun lang.
Papalit daw siya.
Pinoy ako kasi Pinoy siya.
Yun naman pala. Joke lang yung foreigner. Sino mas prefer mo ka-date? Pinay or foreigner?
Siyempre Pinay.
Bakit kaya Pinay?
Siyempre para di na mahirapan. Mag-migrate ka pa sa ibang bansa, ganun. Siyempre, yung ibang bansa, may ano pa yan. May mga tradition, ganun. Dito sa Pilipinas, rekta na, ganun na.
For the friends in the bag, yeah, everybody, all the motherfucking party people in the building. Let's fuck it up, man. Baby, fuck it up. Subscribe. Click the button.
Sino mas prefer mo ka-date? Pinoy or foreigner? And why?
Siyempre, Pinay. Pag Pinay, lalaki. Pinay, siyempre.
Amoy ihi.
Tama. Sino mas prefer mo ka-date? Foreigner or Pinoy?
Pinoy.
Bakit Pinoy?
Kasi mahirap makipag-communicate.
Foreigner.
Totoo.
Parang may language barrier, no? Sino mas prefer mo ka-date? Foreigner or Pinay?
Pinay, siyempre.
Bakit Pinay?
Nakina, hindi ko napapahirapan sarili ko mag-English.
Sino mas prefer mo ka-date? Pinoy or foreigner? And bakit?
Mix, I think, mix.
Sino mas prefer mo ka-date? Pinoy or foreigner?
Pinoy na igorot.
Specifically?
Correct. Cordilleran Highlanders.
That's what they give a shout out to the one and only Kaya Radio. All of Wagner Sanaya. For the friends in the bag, yeah, everybody, all the motherfucking party people in the building. Let's fuck it up, man. Baby, fuck it up. Subscribe. Click the motherfucking surprise button, man. Fuck it up, Sanaya. Let's go.
Sino mas prefer mong ka-date? Pinoy or foreigner?
Pinoy, my boyfriend's a foreigner. Ay!
Amoy ihi.
Tama. Who do you prefer to date? Pinay or foreigner?
Para sa akin, mas angas pa rin ang Pilipina. Kasi we are brown, we are not blue, we are not red, we are brown. Which means we are loud and proud.
Sino mas prefer mo ka-date? Pinoy o foreigner?
Siyempre, Pinoy.
Bakit Pinoy?
Practical lang tayo.
Di ba parang baliktad?
Para Pinoy sa Pinoy lang.
Amoy ihi.
Tama. Sino mas prefer mo ka-date? Pinoy or foreigner?
Ay, Pinoy.
Pinoy. Bakit Pinoy?
Girlfriend ko?
Shout out to the one and only Kaya Radio. All of Wagner Sanaya. For the friends in the bag, yeah, everybody, all the motherfucking party people in the building.
Sino mas prefer mo ka-date? Pinoy or foreigner?
Pinoy pa rin.
Bakit Pinoy?
Iba pa rin magmahal ng mga Pinoy.
Paano?
Mas genuine, mas loving. Iba kasi yung culture ng Philippines, ng mga Filipino, compared to AFAM. Kaya, Filipino pa rin.
Mas magkaka-relate ka sa mga...
Parehas ng parang tawag doon, what you call that, na upbringing. Kaya, mas iba yung connection. Sino mas prefer mo? Foreigner or Pinoy?
Pinoy sana kasi mas close yung culture, pero I feel yung mga kasi parang foreigners are more accepting lang sila doon nga dahil sa culture na. We're more conservative kasi they're more open to dating people like me Pero with regards of friends and family, syempre Filipinos kasi I can relate more to you, to him, to them, to everyone na Filipino.
Kaya girl!